crystal today is the pink sunstone. Now, this pink sunstone is powerful. Why? Because it's mostly found in Norway. Also, it has been used by ancient Vikings as a navigation aid due to its ability to polarize light and indicate the direction of the sun, even in overcast conditions. Isn't that cool to know? They used to use that. Also, Native American used it in the medicine wheel, which I use all the time and teach in their ceremonies. And they traded it across America. And the hematite in the pink sunstone, that helps with joy and the beauty of the enthusiasm. It restores your confidence in life, and it points out your soul's path and links to higher guidance and energy. This stone is huge, right? And in that stone, it's good for overcoming emotional blocks. It brings serenity and peace of mind. It just improves all kinds of concentration. It's a wonderful stone because it helps you to say no. And many of you, I know viewers, many of you, you don't always say yes to everything, and you don't always know how to say no. So this is a good one for that. And also, it also helps in feeling like in switching positive into negative. So this is a beautiful stone to help. So let's talk about the mineral that's inside of you that actually has the sunstone or part of. So the mineral, now remember, we're going to talk about copper, but the thing is that the mineral that we have over 100 natural earth minerals in our bodies. And copper is one of the minerals that sparkles inside of the pink sunstone. So copper is one of the trace minerals of which our bodies only need in small amounts to keep us healthy. And we can find it in some of our food and some of our other things. We can find it in food and also in drink and in our water. But copper is needed for 12 different enzymes in our bodies. For example, copper helps our bodies produce energy and helps us to form important neurotransmitters. And I'm always talking about that. I'm talking about the neural nets, neural pathways, the emotional peptides, how the vibrational field moves in your body. Minerals is what helps us. That's why this segment on EnergizeUtv is talking about these different crystals. Helps you to understand that these help us to support our healthy functions in our brain and in our nervous system. Copper is also needed for the form of our connective tissues. Now we got to connect the tissues, don't we? And help us transform iron into our bodies. So this mineral is just amazing because it maintains our energy levels. It keeps the healthy function of our brain. It helps our nervous system. It helps our skin. It's an all-around really good copper. And a lot of the things that I wear is copper because it helps with the body also. So that's just a little bit about about copper, also about the pink stone, and about also to understand that when you have these crystals in this copper, this mineral with you, you need to clear it. If